Click on the link below to get price. The Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is an essential toolkit for anyone involved in emergency response to water damage, whether for professional restoration services or DIY home repairs. This package includes 6 powerful air movers and a robust air scrubber, making it a comprehensive solution for quick drying and air purification in affected areas. The 6 air movers are designed with efficiency in mind. Each unit features multiple speed settings, allowing users to customize airflow depending on the severity of the situation. Their lightweight design and built-in handles make them easy to transport and position at various angles, ensuring optimal air circulation. With a powerful motor, these air movers can significantly reduce drying time, which is crucial in preventing mold growth and structural damage. The air scrubber included in this package is equally impressive. It utilizes a multi-stage filtration system that effectively captures dust, allergens, and airborne contaminants, improving air quality in water-damaged environments. This is particularly beneficial for homes or businesses with sensitive occupants, as it helps create a safer and healthier atmosphere during the restoration process. The air scrubber operates quietly, which is a welcome feature when working in residential areas. The durability of the Mounto equipment cannot be overlooked. Both the air movers and the scrubber are constructed with high-quality materials designed to withstand rigorous use. They are built to handle the rigors of restoration projects, making them a reliable investment for both professionals and homeowners. While the initial cost might seem significant, the performance and efficiency of this combo package justify the expenditure. The time saved in drying and air purification translates to reduced labor costs and less risk of secondary damage, making this an economical choice in the long run. In conclusion, the Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is a well-rounded solution that effectively tackles the challenges of water damage restoration. Its powerful air movers and efficient air scrubber make it an invaluable asset for anyone looking to mitigate damage and restore spaces swiftly and safely.